National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Catawba County, northeastern Lincoln County, southern Iredell County, north-central Mecklenburg County, southwestern Rowan County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southeast of Statesville to 15 miles east of Newton to 8 miles northeast of Lincoln, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Statesville, Cornelius, Mooresville, Davidson, Maiden, Westport, Troutman, Cleveland, Catawba, and Lake Norman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Iredell and Rowan.